Dear friends, in every kitchen, there's one incredibly familiar ingredient that many people consider a secret to staying youthful. Though it's often underestimated, you don't need expensive cosmetics or invest in luxury spa treatments. Just knowing how to use it properly can lead to a visible transformation in your skin, even surprising yourself. When it comes to skincare, people often think of high-tech products or modern procedures. But in truth, your skin sometimes just needs a gentle, natural, and consistent approach to recover and glow again, calmly and sustainably. Warm greetings to everyone returning to live well every day. In today's video, I'm going to share a very simple skincare method that you can easily do at home. Although it's basic, the results can be just as impressive as any luxury skincare product. It's especially beneficial for middle-aged skin, when signs like dryness, dullness, loss of elasticity, or fine lines around the eyes and mouth begin to appear. Be sure to watch until the end of the video, because in addition to external skincare, I'll also share how to nourish the skin from within through diet, rest, and daily habits to help improve both your skin and overall health in the most natural and complete way. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to live well every day and leave a comment below. That's what keeps me motivated to keep sharing. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer them clearly and thoroughly. Wishing you good health, peace, and naturally radiant skin that lasts. Dear friends, before we dive into the formulas, let me first share a bit more about potatoes, an ingredient that may seem simple but offers surprising benefits for your skin. Potatoes are an abundant source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost natural collagen production, improving skin elasticity, firming the skin, and slowing the formation of wrinkles. They also contain vitamin B6, potassium, and essential minerals that nourish the skin from within, balance moisture levels, and rejuvenate skin tired from environmental stress. Another standout component in potatoes is the enzyme catecholase, a natural skin brightening agent that helps fade dark spots, improve pigmentation, and even out skin tone. In particular, the natural antioxidants found in potatoes help neutralize free radicals, one of the main causes of premature aging. With the right combination, a familiar ingredient like the potato can become a powerful at-home skincare remedy. No need for expensive creams or spa treatments, just a bit of persistence and thoughtful pairing. And you'll notice a visible difference in your skin. To get the most out of it, combining potatoes with the right natural ingredients is crucial. When paired correctly, potatoes can become a miracle ingredient for your skin, gentle and suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Now, let's explore some simple yet highly effective potato-based recipes that many people have successfully used at home. Each formula is easy to make, affordable, and, most importantly, safe when used properly. Let's begin with the first formula, a combination of boiled potato and unsweetened milk. This is a simple recipe but delivers very noticeable results when used regularly at home. As mentioned, potatoes are packed with vitamin C to support collagen production, elasticity, and wrinkle prevention. Other nutrients like vitamin B6, potassium, and catecholase help soothe the skin, lighten dark patches, and naturally balance skin moisture. Unsweetened milk is a skin-friendly ingredient rich in nutrients. It contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin clearer and brighter each day. In addition, the natural proteins and fats in milk nourish the skin's outer layer, making it softer, especially beneficial for dry or dehydrated skin. Milk also provides minerals like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, which help calm irritated skin, support regeneration, and strengthen weak or sensitive skin. When combined with potatoes, this blend forms a mask that cleanses and deeply nourishes, leaving the skin smooth, radiant, and naturally healthy. How to make it? Boil a medium potato until soft. Then mash it thoroughly while still warm. Mix in about 1 tablespoon of unsweetened milk. and stir until the mixture is creamy and slightly thick. After cleansing your face, apply the mixture evenly, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, rinse with warm water, then cool water to tighten pores. Use this formula 2 to 3 times a week, ideally in the evening, when your skin can rest and better absorb nutrients. Note: if you have sensitive skin or open wounds, test the mixture on a small area under your chin or inner wrist. If there's no itching or redness, it should be safe to use regularly. This formula is safe, effective, and budget-friendly, perfect for dry, dull, or dehydrated skin caused by air conditioning, sun exposure, or aging. With consistent use, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, brighter, and smoother each day without the need for costly products. Pushpin Formula 2 Honey and Potato, gentle care for sensitive skin, leaving it smoother each day. Dear friends, there are days when our skin feels more sensitive than usual. It could be due to weather changes, work stress, or a reaction to certain skincare products. At such times, the most important thing is to treat your skin with gentleness and kindness, not with harsh scrubbing or aggressive brightening routines. Raw honey is one of nature's amazing gifts. Not only is it good for your internal health, but it also offers several external benefits for the skin. It contains natural enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants that help calm the skin, reduce inflammation, gently fight bacteria, and support irritated or acne-prone areas. When paired with potatoes, honey not only adds moisture but also helps soften the skin's texture, enhancing its calming and healing effects. This is an ideal formula for those with thin, reactive skin, or mild sunburn. How to make it: steam or boil a potato until soft. Then mash it thoroughly until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and mix until it becomes a soft, creamy paste. After cleansing your face, apply the mixture evenly, focusing on red or dry areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Finish with cool water to fully soothe your skin. I recommend using this formula in the evening, as the skin can rest undisturbed, free from sun exposure or pollution, making the results even more noticeable. Use 2 to 3 times per week, but avoid overuse, especially if your skin is already fragile. Caution: although honey is generally safe, those allergic to pollen or bee products may still experience mild reactions. Always do a patch test under your chin or on your wrist. If there are no unusual symptoms, you can safely apply it to your full face. Dear friends, for anyone feeling worried about uneven skin tone, age spots, or dark patches that silently appear on the cheeks over time, sometimes a simple, safe, and natural remedy at home can bring more lasting results than you might expect. The third formula I'm sharing today is exactly that kind of option. The combination of potato and fresh lemon juice is gentle, yet powerful enough to brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and gradually restore a radiant, youthful glow, without needing complicated treatments or costly expenses. Fresh lemon juice is one of nature's best skin brightening ingredients. It's rich in citric acid and vitamin C, both known for their natural exfoliating and lightening properties. When used correctly, lemon can help even out skin tone, reduce dark spots and pigmentation, especially on areas like the cheeks and forehead, those often most exposed to the sun. When blended with well-prepared potato, the mixture works as a gentle exfoliating mask that deeply cleans pores and stimulates skin renewal. Importantly, it helps retain moisture, so your skin won't feel tight or dry afterward. The method is simple: just take some boiled, soft potatoes, mash them well, and mix in about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir until the mixture is smooth and slightly creamy. After cleansing your face, apply the mask evenly, avoiding the eye area since lemon can cause a slight sting. Leave it on for 10 to 12 minutes. No more. Then rinse off with cool water to soothe and balance your skin. This formula delivers fast results but must be used with care. I recommend applying it only once or twice a week, since lemon's acidity can cause skin to become more sensitive, dry, or sun-reactive if overused. This mask is especially beneficial for oily skin, large pores, or mild post-acne marks. However, if you have thin, sensitive, or inflamed skin, please patch test on a small area, like under the chin, before applying it to your whole face. Pushpin Formula 4 Potato combined with plain yogurt for smooth, hydrated skin. If your skin tends to be sensitive, shows enlarged pores, or feels rough due to dehydration, this gentle blend is a trusted solution. Especially when your skin looks dull or loses its usual radiance, this can be an excellent option. Plain yogurt is highly praised in natural skincare due to its lactic acid content, a very gentle exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells on the surface without harming the protective barrier, which keeps the skin breathable and improves its ability to absorb nutrients. Plus, yogurt contains probiotics and proteins that soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. When mixed with boiled, mashed potato, it forms a soft and silky mask that absorbs easily without leaving a greasy feel. Right after use, you'll notice your skin feels clean, calm, and smooth without any dryness or tightness. To make it, take some cooked potato and mash it until smooth. Mix with about 2 teaspoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Stir until it forms a creamy consistency. Apply to freshly cleansed skin and leave it on for 15 minutes. During that time, feel free to relax, close your eyes, or listen to soft music. Then rinse off with cool water and pat dry with a soft towel. This formula is suitable for almost all skin types, even sensitive or slightly damaged skin. I recommend using it 2 to 3 times a week. Whether your skin is recovering from breakouts or you're just looking for a soothing, hydrating routine, this is a great choice. However, if your skin is currently inflamed or has open wounds, it's best to wait until it's fully healed before using any mask to avoid irritation. Also, be sure to use pure, unsweetened yogurt without flavorings or additives for the safest and most effective results. Dear friends, I've now shared 4 natural skincare formulas that can help your skin stay firm, radiant, and beautiful, even into your 70s. But for truly healthy skin from within, topical care is just one part of the puzzle. The real key lies in your daily habits, what you eat, how you rest, and how you manage your lifestyle. These quiet factors often bring the most sustainable and long-lasting results. Start small, with simple but practical steps. Drinking enough water daily, for example, may seem minor, but it plays a huge role. When your body is properly hydrated, skin cells retain moisture naturally, making the skin plumper, reducing dullness, and slowing down early aging. I also always suggest incorporating foods rich in collagen and antioxidants from plants. Everyday ingredients like soybeans, seaweed, chia seeds, and avocados can help improve skin elasticity and slow the decline of collagen that comes with age. Sleep and mental well-being are just as important. Poor sleep or prolonged stress can make your skin look dull, increase acne, and reduce firmness. So having a good sleep routine and staying positive can act as natural skincare that nourishes your skin from the inside out, without any chemicals. When you combine these habits with the gentle natural recipes I've shared, you'll begin to see visible improvements in just a few weeks. No need for invasive treatments or expensive cosmetics, just consistency and self-awareness about your skin. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your family and friends so more people can enjoy safe, natural, and affordable beauty. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on LiveWell every day so we can keep sharing valuable tips for your health and beauty, one small secret at a time. Wishing you continued health, happiness, and the kind of radiant beauty that's uniquely yours. See you soon.